Today I'm going to show you how I make this amazing butter. Creamy, soft, amazing for the skin. Welcome back to another video. How are you guys doing? Today I want to tell you about an ingredient that you all may not know that is awesome for skin and hair. I've been using this ingredient for many years, and this ingredient is just a very simple ingredient that is used in Africa to cook with, and it is palm oil. Okay. Red palm oil. This palm oil is from Guinea, and this one is from Nigeria. Okay, so it's harvested in can't talk today. This one was harvested and made in Nigeria, and this one was harvested and made in Guinea. Now I'm going to show you my cream. I make a cream using this palm oil mixed with tallow and shea butter and some essential oils, and this goes in my hair and on my skin. So yeah, you want to know why my skin looks so beautiful? It's the palm oil. So y'all, if you're looking for something that is good for dry skin, especially in this winter months, in this Canada weather, this is your go-to. Get you some palm oil. It's $7 for this liter. It's 1 liter. Let me see. Yes, it's 1 liter. This one. And this one, you can get it about $12 to $13 for 2 liters. I usually buy this one. But the last time when I went to buy, they didn't have this one. So I just end up buying a smaller one because I always want to have it on hand. I don't really cook with it because I tend not to use a lot of oils to cook. And my favorite oil to cook with is avocado oil. I love me avocado oil. So this is my oil for cooking. So I don't use palm oil, but you can use the palm oil to cook. If you're making some kind of soups, it tastes really good in the soup. So you can just add a little bit to it. Tasty. But I use it for my skin and my hair, and I'm telling you, it is amazing. So go get yourself some palm oil and make yourself some cream. I added lemongrass and peppermint to mine, and it's really good. Let me put some in my hand to show you guys. Just a little bit. And when you combine the palm oil, the beef tallow, and the shea butter together, it just gives it the right texture. It's not greasy at all. It's just so perfect. Like, look, I'm not even greasy. That's a perfect combination. Okay? And it's just so good for the skin. Guys, you would love it. You have to try this. Okay? When you try it, put a comment in the bottom of this video. Okay? I'm gonna get my jars, and I'm just gonna put it inside my jars. Okay? And you want to put equal amounts of palm oil, equal amount of shea butter, and equal amount of tallow. All right? And that's what I do, just the 3 ingredients. That's it. And you don't have to put essential oils if you don't want. You can also put you could take out the tallow if you don't have tallow, and you can put cocoa butter. I've done it both ways. So it's just cocoa butter, shea butter, and the palm oil. It's so good. This cream is so moisturizing and so great for the skin. You just have to try it. It's good for the elbows that get very ashy. I just put it all over my body because I just love it. Guys, you just have to make this cream. You just have to. Stay beautiful and sweet. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.